In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use columns in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to start a new sheet and set up the right column types so your data stays clean, consistent, and easy to work with. First, open Smartsheet and head to your home page. From there, choose Start a New Project, Program, or Process. You'll land on the creation screen where you can browse templates tailored to different roles, including company management. Templates can save time by pre-configuring columns and views, but to fully learn columns, we'll start from scratch. Choose a new workspace starting point, then select Table. This gives you a clean grid that behaves like a spreadsheet, perfect for building structure from the ground up. Once the blank sheet opens, add your first column by clicking the plus column icon. This is where Smartsheet really shines. Every column has a type, and picking the right one controls how data can be entered, sorted, and used in formulas. You'll see recommended options such as text, number, or checkbox for quick setup. Under Basic, text number is your go-to for general entries and calculations. For planning and status tracking, choose a drop-down list for consistent values like priority or phase, or use checkbox for simple yes/no indicators. If you're tracking schedules or deadlines, select date so entries display a proper date picker. And for assignments, choose people to use a contact list, which makes ownership and notifications seamless. After choosing a type, define the details. Type a clear column name so collaborators instantly understand what belongs there. If helpful, add a column description to explain expectations or formatting rules. This is optional but great for team clarity. Confirm the column type from the dropdown so it matches your intent. If you're creating a date column, consider turning on restricts to dates only. This prevents accidental text entries and keeps your timelines accurate for sorting, filtering, and reporting. When everything looks good, click Apply to add the column to your sheet. A few quick tips as you build. Pick column types that reinforce consistency, like drop-downs instead of free text for status. Use people columns to drive accountability, and rely on date columns for clean scheduling. Remember, you can always add more columns with the plus icon and repeat the same process as your needs grow. That's it. Start from a blank table, add columns, choose the right types, name them clearly, and apply. You've now got the foundation to make Smartsheet work smarter for you.